Most developers spend weeks fighting boilerplate and debugging configuration files. That era is dead. Right now, we have the power to go from a raw idea to a production-ready SaaS in under 48 hours. Imagine building a tool capable of hitting $10,000 a month without spending months in development hell. I've spent the last year stress testing every AI coding tool on the market. I've tried them all. Nothing comes close to the synergy of Cursor and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This isn't just better autocomplete. It's full-stack architectural reasoning. Today, I'm giving you the exact AI-first workflow I use to ship fast. 5 steps. No fluff. By the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to stop learning and start shipping high-value software. Let's build. Let's be honest. Most of us are still coding like it's 2022. You have a killer SaaS idea. You know exactly how it should work. But then the reality hits. You spend 3 days just fighting with the boilerplate. Auth database schemas, API routing. The boring stuff. By the time you actually start building the core feature, you're already mentally drained. And while you're obsessing over the perfect architecture, someone else just launched a good enough version of your idea. They didn't have more talent than you. They just had a better workflow. The gap is widening. There's a new class of AI-first developers. They aren't just using Copilot for basic autocomplete. They're using tools like Cursor and Claude 3.5 to collapse weeks of development into mere hours. If you're still manually writing every line of CSS or hunting through outdated documentation for an API endpoint, you're not just slowing down. You're becoming the bottleneck in your own business. The real risk isn't that AI will replace developers. It's that the AI-first developer will replace you. Here is the truth. The era of manually writing every line of boilerplate is dead. If you're still spending hours on CSS centering or basic CRUD operations, you're losing money. The goal isn't to code anymore. It's to orchestrate. To hit that 10K MRR mark, you need speed. You need a production-ready app in days, not months. The secret weapon. The combination of Cursor and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This isn't just an autocomplete tool. It's a pair programmer that understands your entire code base. Let's break down the 5-step blueprint to build your SaaS in 48 hours. Step 1, the blueprint. Do not start in your IDE. Start in Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Why? Because Claude is currently the king of architectural reasoning. You feed it your vision, and it spits out the database schema, the API endpoints, and the component hierarchy. You aren't guessing. You're executing a proven plan. Step 2, the environment. Now we move to Cursor. This is a fork of V's code, but with a brain. The first thing you do, index your documentation. By indexing the latest docs, you stop the AI from hallucinating outdated syntax. It now knows exactly how the latest version of your framework works. Step 3, rapid prototyping with Composer. This is where the magic happens. Use Composer mode. Instead of writing one file at a time, you describe a feature. Watch it. It doesn't just suggest code. It creates 5 different files, links them, and updates your routes simultaneously. You've just saved 6 hours of manual setup in 30 seconds. Step 4, the iterative loop. You will hit bugs. That's inevitable. But the old way was searching Stack Overflow for an hour. The AI-first way. Highlight the error, hit CMD+L, and ask, why is this happening and how do I fix it? It analyzes the context of your entire project to find the mismatch. Fix, test, repeat. Step 5, deployment and scaling. Once the core loop is working, we push to Versal. With the AI handling the heavy lifting of the build, your focus shifts from, how do I build this? To, how do I market this? That is how you go from an idea to a live, scalable product in a single weekend. Here is the stack that made this possible. I used Cursor paired with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It's a total cheat code for speed. If you want to set this up exactly like I did, I've put the links in the description. I also used Versal for the deployment. It's the only way to ship this fast. Look at the result. 48 hours. We didn't just build a prototype. We built a production-ready asset. The architecture is scalable. The UX is polished. This is how you bridge the gap between a random idea and a 10K per month business. Stop spending months in development hell. Start shipping. If you're ready to level up your workflow, hit that subscribe button and join the community of AI-first developers. Now go build something.